Hello YouTube, why are cucumbers so healthy? The nutritionist told why these vegetables should be included in your diet and what they consist of. Without cucumbers, it is simply impossible to imagine fresh spring-summer salads. These are one of the most useful and popular vegetables on our table. They have been used since ancient times as a remedy for many diseases. Why cucumbers are unique, what is inside? It is one of the few vegetables that we eat unripe. Its name aguros in Greek means immature. It is low in calories, contains various minerals, vitamins and antioxidants. It is the high content of potassium, silicon and zinc that makes cucumbers a prophylactic for skin and hair health care. The nutritional value of cucumbers is primarily due to the high content of lutein and zeaxanthin are substances that accumulate in the tissues of the eye and provide effective protection for the eyes and vision. In 100 grams of cucumbers, the content of these crotonids is 3 times more than the daily requirement. Phosphosterols, which are similar in structure to cholesterol, and therefore replace it in the body. Thus, during the use of cucumbers, phytosterols inhibit the absorption of cholesterol from the digestive tract. Cholesterol is better excreted from the body and its level in the blood decreases. It is advisable to use cucumbers with the skin. The bulk of vitamins and other useful substances are there. But you need to be sure of the quality of cucumbers, because harmful substances can accumulate in the peel. And then the use can be harmful to health. Do you know that cucumbers should not be stored or sliced? There is one interesting fact: this unripe vegetable contains the enzyme ascorbate oxidase in large quantities. It is also called antivitamin C, because it accelerates the oxidation of vitamin C, that is, it destroys it. The release of the antivitamin enzyme occurs during the grinding of cucumbers. Therefore, prepare vegetable salads immediately before meals so as not to lose vitamin C. Ascorbate oxidase is also found in other vegetables and fruits. There is a lot of it in zucchini, cauliflower and pumpkin, less in beets, tomatoes, carrots and black currants. Despite all the benefits of the vegetable, there are contraindications. It is not recommended to eat cucumbers with exacerbation of colitis, biliary dyskinesia and gastritis, with renal failure. Be healthy. Watch what you eat. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.